Hi, in this video we are going to learn how to restore settings to their original defaults in Google Chrome browser. Okay, open the Google Chrome browser and click on this option, customize and control Google Chrome option, and go to settings. Here we can see the option reset and cleanup. Click on this option. We can see here restore settings to their original defaults. Okay, click on this. Here it is showing the details like reset settings. It will reset Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts and disable the extensions, and it will delete the cookies and other temporary site data. Okay, and it is showing like bookmarks, history and saved passwords won't be affected. Okay, so if you want to know more about on this history, bookmarks and saved passwords, click on learn more option. Here we can see the details. Your saved bookmarks and passwords won't be cleared or changed. Okay, if you want to reset settings, click on reset settings button. Thank you for watching the video. Please see description for more videos and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.